So before building any rubric, you want to build your learning objectives. That way you can collect data on your students' progress throughout the semester. Also, it just gives you a bank in order to build rubrics in the future. So the way that you want to build a learning objective is you want to make sure you are in your resource folder. And then on the left, you're going to click the Learning Objectives tab. So I am now inside my Learning Objectives folder, and you can see here that I have created student website objectives, learning objectives. This is standard-based grading, and I also have some for portfolio and reflections, which is one that I'm working on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go inside my project learning objectives. And you can see here I've built several objectives already: composition, craftsmanship, skills learned, project requirements, design difficulty, our elements and principles, and then specific skills. So the way that we're going to add a learning objective is click the Add button. You want to click Custom Learning Objective. You could collect state standards if that is the language you would like to use, and then you can sort through them. I prefer writing a custom learning objective based off the state standards. I just put this in my own language or a language I use in the classroom so kids are familiar with it. So the first one I am going to do is I am going to add concept, like conceptual skills. So I just add my title, and then I can type in a description that I would like for my standard. Click Create. And it has now been added to my learning objectives. And again, if I want to add another one, I just click Add, Custom Learning Objective, and then I can give it its title and description. And it will stay stored inside my learning objectives, all ready for me to build a rubric.